1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll be setting up our playpen for our baby Samantha Riley. We have been searching for quite some time now for a good playpen and a playmat for our baby because our baby is growing fast and she likes to roam around, and we think it will be best for her to have a playpen so that she's free to move around or roll over and, you know, eventually crawl and start walking. So that's why we are trying to get a good one for our baby. There are a lot of good ones in the market, but we're trying to find what's best for us. So one morning when I woke up, just browsing my Instagram story, suddenly an ad popped up, and it's the Wonder Mats. So I browsed their Wonder Mat website and I saw their Wonder Mat and the baby playpen. So it's quite nice and gorgeous. So yeah, when we saw it, it's just like, you know, love at first sight. So we checked it out and then we decided to get this brand instead of the other one. So it just arrived today and I wanted to unbox with you guys and start assembling the playpen here at my back. So yeah, come and join me. Ta-da! So this is the box. Let me Of course, you have the playpen assembly guide. Yeah, their design is very neat and clean, and it's wooden. I know, we love wooden. The wooden texture is very smooth and smells nice. It smells like it comes from IKEA. So, yeah. The texture is plastic. No smell. It's nice. And they have their logo there, Wonder Mats. It's so easy to set up actually. So you get one of these and you see here there's like a small nipple and push a little and it's very hard to remove for a kid. So if you wanted to remove, you just press and then pull. That's it. Press and then press a little, then push. Yeah, let's continue. And you need this corner, same assembly. So I just need to put this on the corner for them to interconnect. If you're wondering why we choose this playpen, it's because it's wooden. So we love the texture and style of a wooden to have a natural design, and it's kind of like it looks very neat and clean whenever you wanted to take a photo. So that's why. Okay, let's continue. So we're done! I will show you how the door will open. So yeah, this is the door, and what you will do is they have a marker here. It's an opposite letter C. What you need to do is you pull this one, you pull like this, and then lift. Voila! So for closing in, make sure it is aligned and then release. Ta-da! It's locked. So your baby is safe inside. And of course, you need a baby mat that you need to put inside. So they also have their own baby mat. Okay, let's open this. It's very light, it's not that heavy, and the texture is wow. I love the texture. I hope I can let you feel. Is it nice? So yeah, the texture is rubber and it's non-toxic as far as I know. And yeah, it's so nice. Really nice. I love it. The specifications of this is it's 15mm thick and well cushioned, waterproof and easy to clean, reversible, multifunctional. On the outside it's pink and the opposite side is sea gray. They have a different design as well. And it's durable material. Yeah, it is PVC free, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic. So it is really best for your baby. And of course, it's eco-friendly and biodegradable. It's so nice, I'm so excited. And I wanted to take this opportunity to thank Ouija for delivering our baby playpen and baby mat as early as possible. Ouija is the owner of the Wonder Mats as far as I know. It includes 2 beds whenever you wanted to keep your baby playmat. I love the color. It's, for me, I can say that this color is something like peachy blush, and the design, it's very girly, simply elegant. So I like it. And the opposite side is it's a gray and it has a crisscross design, you can see. And this is the front, the other side. I like it. Of course, I will use this peachy blush because our baby is a girl. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And the texture, it's really soft. One other thing that we decided to buy this is because our recent visit to our pediatrician, that she suggested to have at least a playpen at home. So it's actually beneficial to Riley because it will help her to transition from crawling to standing. So that's why we decided to get one as early as now, so that at least, you know, we can take advantage of having this for a longer time. Let me get my baby and let her try her new playpen area. Okay, give me one moment. Okay, let's test this. Hello, baby. Say hi to the camera. Hi. I am Samantha Riley. Hi, baby. So, you try? Okay, stand up. She likes it. She have lots of time to play here and stay here and do her thing. So yeah. Okay, baby? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you decide if you're going to get a new playpen. If you're interested to get this playpen and playmat, you can go to their website at www.wondermats.com. I will also put their link down below in the description box so that you can try and explore, and you can actually contact them if you have any questions. So yeah, they're a very nice couple, so yeah, they are very approachable. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Mwah! Say bye-bye! Bye! Okay.
Thank you.